After the in-depth research about a company, the next step is using that information to make yourself stand out from other candidates. Therefore, today we'll learn how to craft informed questions for your interviewers. Asking insightful questions not only demonstrates your genuine interest in the role and the company, but also provides you with valuable information to assess whether the organization aligns with your career goals and values. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the importance of asking thoughtful questions during an interview. Identify key areas to explore through your questions. Develop personalized, informed questions that reflect your research and enthusiasm for the role. The importance of asking thoughtful questions demonstrates engagement. Posing well-crafted questions shows that you have invested time in understanding the company and the position. Highlighting your enthusiasm and proactive attitude clarifies expectations. Inquiring about specific aspects of the role or company helps you gain a clearer picture of what to expect, aiding in your decision-making process. Showcases critical thinking. Thoughtful questions reflect your analytical skills and your ability to engage in meaningful dialogue about the organization's operations and culture. Key areas to explore through your questions. There are a few key areas that you can explore through questions. These are role-specific inquiries. A pertinent question can be, what are the immediate challenges you would like the new hire to address in this position? Purpose. This question helps you understand the pressing needs of the team and how you can contribute effectively from the outset. Company culture and values. About the company's culture, you can ask, can you describe the company's approach to professional development and continuous learning? Purpose. Gaining insight into the company's commitment to employee growth can help you assess alignment with your career development goals. Team dynamics. If you want to know more about teamwork and team dynamics, such as how does the team typically collaborate on projects? Purpose. Understanding collaboration practices provides a glimpse into the team's workflow and your potential fit within the group. Company's strategic direction. You can also ask about the company's long-term strategy. You may ask by saying, what are the company's primary goals for the next 5 years, and how does this department contribute to achieving them? Purpose. This question demonstrates your interest in the company's future and how your role aligns with its strategic objectives. Developing personalized, informed questions. Conduct. Thorough research. Visit the company's official website, recent news articles, press releases, and industry reports to gather relevant information. Align questions with your interests and the role. Tailor your questions to reflect how your skills and experiences can contribute to the company's success. For instance, I noticed that the company is expanding into new markets. How does this role support that initiative? Avoid generic or self-centered questions. Avoid asking questions that could be answered through basic research or those that focus solely on benefits to you, such as salary or vacation time, unless the interviewer brings them up first.